5.60 into 10 to the power 0. So the decimal will neither move towards right nor towards left. This notation is in scientific notation and this notation is in ordinary notation. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 2.1, Class 9, Math, Federal Board. Question number 2. Write the following in standard notation or ordinary notation. In this question, we will check how to convert the scientific notation into ordinary notation. You will have to just check the power. If it is positive, then the decimal will move towards right. If it is negative, then the decimal will move towards left. Power is minus, so the decimal will move towards left. How many digits? 5 digits due to this power. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the decimal will be here. Similarly, 5.60 into 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 means 1. So the decimal will neither move towards right nor towards left. This notation is in scientific notation and this notation is in ordinary notation. 6.53 into 10 to the power minus 6. Due to negative, we will move towards left and 6 digits will be counted. 1, because there are no more digits, so we will put zeros such like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the decimal will be here. 3.1415 into 10 to the power 9, because the power is positive, so we will move towards right. How many digits? 9 digits due to this 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, no more numbers, so we will put zeros. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.